How to make tons of money using ChatGPT and TradingView. Look at this great trade that we got on optimism. We'll get to this in a minute. I also added another indicator. If you don't know what I'm talking about, my name is Eve, also known as Finance After 40. I added all this beautiful stuff. So all you have to do is buy below this and buy and sell above this. Let's get started. Hi ChatGPT, tell me about volume profile indicator, how to add it to TradingView, link in the description, and what are the settings. So you click here, it's gonna spit a nice answer, and then I'm gonna show you this. Optimism, $1.50 United States American dollar. This is a beautiful thing. Bitcoin, $19,000. Everyone are short, and ChatGPT told us to go long way ago, like I don't know, 16,500 or something. Ethereum is pumping. We're gonna go over this. Let's see the answers. Volume profile is a type of charting tool. Display the amount of volume that has traded at each price level during a given time period. It's often used by traders to identify key levels of support and resistance, as well as find potential area of accumulated distribution. Let's keep going. Wow, over 19,000. Everyone are shocked and in disbelief. If you use robots instead of social media influencers, you will be in a better position. To add to the volume profile indicator to TradingView, you will first need to open a chart, which we have done, and I'm going to show you how to do it in a second. And click indicator, which I've done, and select volume profile from the indicator. You will be then prompted to enter time zone, time frames, bars. Okay, important to note that the setting you choose will depend on the personal strategy. Okay, so let me show you what I have done. Let's start with Bitcoin. First of all, I removed the fear and greed indicator, because a lot of my comments in the last, 2 weeks said it's not really ideal if you backtest, it just do other stuff. Okay, and I agree. I saw some results that I didn't like. I do like the Z-score. Z-score for me is a keeper. What does it mean? That the yellow line, let's go over here. This yellow line, if it goes, you get an alert if it goes -3, okay, or +3. If it's -3, something like here, you get a green buy signal. If it's +3, right here, you get a sell signal, a red bubble. But that's not enough. So now I have 3 indicators on the list. Let me show you before we get into the red, I want to show you where we got into Bitcoin and see. Here we go. So you get into Bitcoin, let's say around here, 16,750, and then I'm going to show you optimism. It's freaking amazing trade. Amazing trade. Could have made like 25% in the last, I don't know, 2 days or something. Crazy. And if it's leveraged, that's like gazillion percentage an hour. Okay, so you are here at 16,750, but you don't take the trade just yet because I added this indicator. Watch my video yesterday, the QQE, okay? And so I only, theoretically, you take the trade when the QQE is also flipped into green, okay? Let's also make sure I'm recording. So the QQE flipped into green, let's say around here. Okay, the blue is the index, the coin itself. So the blue is Bitcoin. We are here, $16,770, and the Z-score gave us an alert in here. Why? Because the Z-score, if you see here at the bottom, it was -4, -4.1 even. That's super crazy. That's the time to long Bitcoin, but you're not long just yet. And I'm on the 15 minutes chart. You can change it. But I found that the 15 or the 1 hour for crypto works better than the daily, because there's a lot of moves, at least for crypto. Okay, Forex is a different story, but for crypto, the 1 hour and the 15 is what I'm need to pick one. I will probably pick 15 because I'm a degenerate gambler. Let me know in the comments, are you a degenerate gambler? Anyway, let's keep going and see Bitcoin. Okay, so as I said, we got in here. That's theoretically 16,770. And then you got a sell signal in here, but that's why I added this one. This is a beautiful thing. So you got a sell signal in the z-score. Okay, the z-score is over 4, you see, over 4, but it's not enough. That's why I added the QQE to balance me. So that means that I'm still in the trade because this is green, and then this one is red, but this is green. So I'm still staying in the trade, and theoretically you just move on, you wait for something that's combined, like a signal and signal and signal in the same time. Here we got another sell signal for Bitcoin at 17,000, but this is still green. So you're still in play. This is all 15 minutes chart. So this could be like, I don't know, a couple of days. Sell, 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 buy, buy, buy. You don't do anything. You're still in the trade and you let Bitcoin rip from 17,000 all the way. You wait for something to, like, say red and red. No, red and green. So you're still in the trade. This is good. 17,400, and you keep going and you wait for the next signal, and the next signal is right here, red but also green. Still in the trade. And then I added volume profile, which I will show you in a minute, that tells me that the most of buys and sells around here for the 15 minutes chart based on the last 7 days. 18,848, let's call it 18,850. And then something's gonna happen. We're gonna pop a lot or we're gonna drop. But you see here green, you see here green. This is all the volume profile, proof of power, whatever it's called, POC. Here we go. It says POC, proof of power concept. I don't know. Comment below what POC means, but it just gives me the number 18,836. And once it broke it, we are going up 19,000, and the high was 19,011. So you got the ChatGPT got us in at like 16,700, which is crazy. That's like 15% on Bitcoin. Let me show you how to add it to the chart, and then I'm gonna show you OP. So what do you do? First of all, you click indicators. I've already done it, but just so you know, you search volume profile, and then you're gonna see how much money if you've done that, even with the z-score and the fear and greed, you could have made a killing the last 2 days. You search volume profile in the indicators, and for me I picked this one, the third one, volume profile / fixed range EP. Okay, this is what I picked. I looked at the other two. I don't know, this seems nicer for me. I need to check Lux, because Lux I heard is also good, Lux Algo. But volume profile, I might play with this. I just started yesterday, so far so good. Volume profile fixed range added to the chart. It's automatically adding it. We are pumping. Look at the 153 optimism to the moon. Where could you have gone into optimism? This was the original trade. No, there was another trade. I think it was around 120. Something like that, even before that. Friday the 6th, last week. Okay, last week. How crazy is this? You got a green signal in here. What's the price? $1 or so, 101. Wow, that's crazy. You're up like 50 something percent in a week. That's all you had to do. Okay, so you got a green signal in here. The z-score under 4, -4, crazy. So you got the z-score going up. It's not enough because the QQE doesn't support it, okay? But then you got 1, 2. So basically, let's say you got in here 102. Let's say the dollar, give or take. It doesn't matter, dollar or 101. And then you got a sell signal at 110. But all this is green. Keep going. You got a sell signal at 110 still green. You don't do anything. You let it ride, another pop, 120, 121, all green, don't do anything. All this great sell signal. This is good because this keeps me balanced. The QQE keeps me balanced to let my winners ride. That is beautiful thing. Keep doing that. Another sell, another green. I'm still in the trade. Don't do anything. You let it ride. And then let's see what we got here. Now we got another sell signal. How crazy is this? We got sell and we got a buy in here. So you keep doing, but we still got, you see here, this, let's see here, We got a sell. This is a gray. Okay, so maybe there was another chance for you to get in at 127. And here all this is red, but the last red bar is still either gray or green, so you don't do anything. At 147, another sell, and this is green, you don't do anything. We'll talk about the volume profile in a second. And then you pop, and you see the POC, the proof of concept or something, is 139 on the 15 minutes. You can do the hourly, but I find the 15 minutes is for the general, and this is nice. So you could have, like, it's waiting to break 140, and once it does, moon time, make money. Hope this was valuable. All the links will be in the description below. Join the email list so you can talk to me on a daily and more personal basis. Also, link in the description, GMX 10% off, TradingView. You can get 30 days trial. I hope this was valuable. Tell me if you made money. I'll see you guys next time.